Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dan. You're watching DIY for Life. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your phone to your car stereo with a Bluetooth device. I like this particular model. It's about $20. Has a nice secure fit into the cigarette lighter. It also has a good feature where it gives you the car battery voltage readout here. So you just have to tune this to the same radio frequency as your car stereo, and then you can get the sound out of your car speakers. And it looks like we are not getting power. Another way to test it, if you're careful and you have the lighter, we're not getting power. This thing is cold. So you're going to want to check out your fuse box. So let's go find out where the fuse box is in this particular car. Okay, on my particular car, which is a BMW E85 Series Z4, the fuse box is behind the glove box door. So you're going to need to drop this down. So there's two little places to push, here, here. If you do that, you can drop the glove box door and access the fuse box, which is on the left hand side, and check the card or check online to see the position of the cigarette lighter fuse. The fuse we need to look at is number 5 over here. It's that 15 amp fuse. So let's try to pull that out. Okay, success. Yeah, see, it's burned out. That should be connected in the middle. Okay, here's a good new fuse. See, it makes a connection in the middle there. So that'll go back into the same place. Make sure it fully seats. And now let's check again with the key to the on position if we have power at the cigarette lighter. Okay, success. We got power to the cigarette lighter and we can see the car battery voltage readout here. Now simply choose a radio station and make sure that that matches the Bluetooth device in your car stereo, and then connect your phone to that particular device. Okay, so I was successfully able to connect my phone to the car stereo with that Bluetooth device. One little problem with the fuse being blown, but I was able to sort that out without too much difficulty. Just remember, if your car has constant on to the cigarette lighter, to pull out the device when your car is off, otherwise you might drain the battery. So I hope the video was useful and helpful for you. Please give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.